He doesn't know what's about to happen to him.
Which one do you want? Maybe he does like it.
He's been biting the crap out of that, yeah.
Okay, Pa. Do you want food? Food.
What have we always said about him? He launched the crush.
What are you doing?
Having our normal catnip reaction.
Oh my goodness. You never rub against anything.
This is the good talk. Long. He's trying to get the lens.
Pause. What are you doing? Where are you trying to go? Pause.